How to enable Facebook friend suggestions. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable Facebook friend suggestions. Without further ado, let's get started. Before you head on straight to the Facebook app, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store and check if your Facebook is up to date. If not, just tap on the update button so that you will have the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to have the friend suggestions tab within your Facebook app. Once you have made sure of that, let's just head on and open Facebook right here. And from your homepage, you can just tap on this menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. And let's click on Friends over here. And you can actually see some suggestions right here under the section that says people you may know. And these are usually the Facebook profiles that you have mutual connections with. So Facebook might suggest that. Or if you don't see relevant suggestions, you can also click on requests right here. And you should be able to see the option that says see friend suggestions. So just tap on that. And that is actually the same page that was shown. So, for example, if this list does not show relevant Facebook profiles, one thing that we're going to do is to tap on the menu icon again right here. Click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. And let's scroll down a bit. And under the Permissions tab, we should see the option to upload contacts. So just tap on that and let's click on this toggle button right here so that it will turn green. Click on Continue. So when you click on Continue, the info about contacts in your address book, including names, phone numbers, and nicknames, will be sent to Facebook so that Facebook can suggest friends and provide and improve ads for you and others and offer a better service overall and initiate better connection with your relevant friends that are on Facebook. So just click on Continue right here and Facebook should upload your contacts. And the suggestions that Facebook is giving should be more relevant to you now. And so that is how you can basically enable Facebook friend suggestions. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.